5. Types of people you should never trust. Number 1. The chronic liar. They always twist the truth or fabricate stories to suit their needs. If they lie about the small stuff, how can you trust them with anything serious? Number 2. The gossip monger. They love to spread secrets, especially ones that aren't theirs. If they gossip about others to you, they're likely gossiping about you to others. Number 3. The overpromiser. Don't worry, I'll handle it. But they rarely follow through. These people raise your hopes only to let you down. Number 4. The blame shifter. They never take responsibility and always find someone else to blame. It's exhausting and untrustworthy behavior. Number 5. The fake supporter. They pretend to cheer for you but secretly envy your success. Look out for insincere compliments or subtle digs. Trust is earned, not given. Choose your circle wisely. The hit follow button because this account is for you.